Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome cake with raisins and carrots. I call it the carrot cake. Let's get started. Follow my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's soak the raisins in hot water. Then we chop or slice really finely the carrots. Then put it into the bowl. Add 150 grams of sugar and mix it. Then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, then some canola. Add an egg. Mix it all. And add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add half of the flour and the baking soda. Then add the other part of the flour. You'll need only about 2 glasses of flour. Then the raisins have to be dry, so take out the water and dry them out with a paper towel. After, add it into the mixture and mix it. Then put some butter into the pan and add some flour. Then take out the resting flour. After, just put the mixture inside the pan. Put it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Then take it out and let it cool. After, just take it out of the pan and flip it again. Then just add some powdered sugar on top. And it's all done. It's ready to serve. It's super fluffy and really easy to make, and the recipe is really simple. I hope you enjoy making this cake as much as I did, and if you like this recipe, give me a like and follow my channel to see more of my recipes. And don't forget to leave me a comment of what recipes should I do next. Thank you for watching.